let's click on Inquiry and select Receivable Transaction Inquiry. This particular function allows you to look at the transactions that are posted, referring to payments, credits, debits, duplicate payments, miscellaneous receipts, refunds, voids, and write-offs. Any of those transactions you can look up as long as they've been posted in this particular function. So date types, you can look at check dates, post dates, transaction dates. Check dates is only going to show actual payments. So if I went back and looked at my last month's by check date, you'll see here that I just have checks and they applied to specific invoices. So those are the check amounts and these are all payments. And again, that's because I searched by check date, so only a payment is going to have a check date. But if I did by post date and transaction type is all of them, well, as long as any of those transactions were posted in between this date range, now they will all appear. So I have debits, refunds, payments, and voids that are all showing up here. So really this particular function will give you any of the transaction history pertaining to an invoice. Now, if we're looking at payments, for example, like here's a payment for $2,134.76. If I look at this particular check, this one will give you, since it's a check, it'll give you the history and it'll show you the applied invoices. So you can actually look at the transaction history and see which invoices each payment actually applied to in this particular function. If I look at a void, for example, and I wanted to, you can see that it voids the original invoice, and it's always good if I going to void something and someone leaves a remark, then you can see why exactly they would have voided that, so which is good history. But a great function to use if you're questioning an actual transaction that was posted and you needed to find more information about it. That's Receivable Transaction Inquiry.